Alright guys, how are you today? So today we'll be doing a bit of a tutorial. I've been getting a lot of questions about pancakeswap and creating tokens for liquidity. So me being a developer, I thought, what the heck, let's make a video, let's go check this thing out. Let's just from scratch like create a token and get it listed on pancakeswap. Now if you do have any questions about this, guys, I'd really appreciate if you leave it down in the comments below. Leave a thumbs up for the video if you want to see more videos like this. I'll also leave a link to contact me if you have any questions. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so the first thing you will wanting to be doing is creating your token that you will be listing on pancakeswap. Now for that, we'll be creating a BEP-20 Binance Smart Chain token. So what you want to do is you want to come to this site, docs.binance.org. I'll leave a link in the description, and we'll be getting this file. Now this file here, scroll down a little bit here to where you see create new contract token here with like a link. You want to click that and you will go ahead and download this file, and just go ahead and do that again so you can see it will download this file. Now we want to, you can use, there are some like other tools and stuff you can use, I guess, but I like to do it from this site just because you know you're getting like the code is legit, and because it's coming directly from Binance, so there will be like nothing. But there are other more, I guess, you're ready to use like UI tools you could use, but I like to do it this way since I know exactly, I have full control of my code. Yeah, once you have that file, this file will contain our code where we will be able to modify our token. And then what you want to do here is you want to scroll all the way back up and click this link, remix.ethereum.org, and this should open up the remix editor. Now this is the editor that we'll be using to make changes to our token. So once you open that up, you should see a page like this. Let me just go ahead here and make a new one. You should be presented with a page like this. I was already on here a little bit, so that's why you saw that. But and what you're wanting to be do, we'll be copying the code, we'll be taking the code from here, this file that we downloaded, and putting it in this editor. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open this up. You should be able to open this up with like Notepad or Notepad plus or whatever. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up with Notepad, but it should ask you what you want to open it with. You can choose Notepad. Then what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and do Control A, then Control C for copy, for to copy everything, right? And you can also just do like to copy everything, but Control A, Control C works. Then the next thing that you want to do is you want to create a new file. You want to call this file will be the name of it. This file will be the file that creates that is the contract for your token. So let's you can name this anything, but you probably want to name it whatever you'll name your token. I'll be calling my token Alex Coin, so I'll just name this Alex Coin, AlexCoin.sol, where you can name it whatever you want. You can also leave the sol and it will like add that .solid, and it will add that for you. But let's go ahead there, open this file, and then I'm just gonna Control V to paste everything from our file that we downloaded. All right, now sweet. Now we have our token code, right? Our token contract. Now what we want to do, we want to set some things for our coin that are specific to our coin, right? Like the name of our token and all this stuff. So what you want to do next is you want to go down here and you want to skip the line 352, 351, 352, where you see token name, token symbol, decimals, total supply in curly braces here. Now, and what you want, this is where we'll be able to name our token, create it, say the symbol, the amount of decimal place that we want, and stuff like that. So what you want to do here for the name of your token, you want to obviously know what you want to name your token, and then you just put it, you want to put it in quotes. Okay, if anything that's like alphabets, you want to put it in quotes, these double quotes here. So Alex Coin, I'll call mine Alex Coin, right? And so I put that in quotes. And for the symbol, you can name it anything you want, but and also for the name, same for the symbol, but you want to like Token names are typically like three to four letters. So you want to put 3 to 4 letters that will be easy to remember. Like Bitcoin is BTC, Ethereum is ETH. You want to put something that's like easy to remember for you, and that will be easy to remember for the people using your thing. So again, we do quotes, double quotes, and then we do ALC for Alex Coin. All right, and that will be your symbol. That's what we will put in when we're ready to like find it on sites like pancakeswap and all those other sites, and coin search or whatever. The next thing is decimals. Now again, for here you can put whatever you want. You could put 1 to 0, like you put a number, you could put any number you want. But Bitcoin is this is quite simply just the amount of how divisible your token will be. So for example, Bitcoin can be divided to the eighth, I believe. Let me just triple check that. Bitcoin decimals. I think Bitcoin is divisible. Yeah, one Satoshi. Yeah, Bitcoin has 8 decimal places. You can put up to 18, right? But you can put 18, 8, 3, 2, 5, whatever you want. It's all up to you. For example, like regular dollars are like 2 decimal places, so you have $5.50, 50 for 2 decimal places, and you can have as little as 1 cent, right? So this is all about like how divisible your token will be. Bitcoin has 8 decimal places, so it's dividable up to 0.00. You can have 0.00000001 Bitcoin, which is like 1 Satoshi, I think. This is all about how divisible your token will be, and stuff like that. You can put anything you want, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put 8, right? This will only matter if you want to, like, how many tokens how divisible your tokens will be. So if you only create 1 token as like, and that's your total supply, then you will be able to have up to 0.000000018 as the smallest, which means I think you'll be able to have like whatever number that comes out. I think it's like 99 million, right? You'll be able to have up to like 99 million coins. Again, all about how divisible it is. You can put whatever you want. If you're creating a token and you want it to be more human friendly, you maybe want to put like 1 or 2 decimal, 2 or 3 decimal places, just because that's kind of like what we as humans are used to. If you want to stick to the standard, like go with Bitcoin, you can put 8. If you want to be extremely extra, you can put 18. So it's all up to you. Now total supply will pretty self-explanatory. Total supply will be the total supply over token. So for what you want to do here is you want to put the amount of tokens that you want to be your total supply. So for example, I will be having 1,000 Alex coins, right? And what you want to do is you actually want to put whatever number it is that you want. Like for example, 1,000, you can put 1,000,000, you could put 10 million, you could put 1,000,000,000. It's all like whatever you want. But then you want to add like the amount of decimal places in zeros that you want. So I put 1,000 here, and I'm just gonna add 8 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I have my 1,000, right? And then I have my 8 zeros, right? And that's like total supply. I'm just like looking to make sure here, but and that will be like that's total supply over token. All right, and this no balances, that's fine, you leave that alone. And this here is like filling out all the information about our token, and that's it. That's all you have to do for your token. Now what we want to do is we want to get to creating our token, listing our token on the Binance Smart Chain. Now for this, guys, you will want to have some BNB, some Binance coin. You will want to have some of that to launch your contract, because what you're doing when you're making this stuff, when you're making a token, is you're creating a contract on the Binance Smart Chain or the Ethereum Smart Chain, and that contract is basically minting your token. So you need some money to for transaction fees for the contract, and also to mint it. So but the next thing you're wanting to be do here, once you finish with all this here, you want to go to this next tab here. your compiler. Let me actually check. Let me just do the right thing here. You wanna select auto compile, and you wanna select enable optimization, right? And what that will do is that will go ahead and compile our coin. That will compile our token. Once it's compiled, you should see some more files here, as well as a green tick here to say that it didn't get any errors. You wanna click when you click those. So again, you come here, you leave this tab. Once you're done editing, you come to this tab here, you click auto compile, you click enable optimization. Yes, and that will like set this all up for us. Now the next thing we want to do here is deploy or contract, deploy our token, right? So what you want to do is you want to come to this deploy tab, which is the third thingy here. Come to this, you want to select environment, you want to select injected web3. For this you will need a MetaMask account. You should know what MetaMask is if you know what PancakeSwap is, but if you don't know what MetaMask is just a wallet that you can use to store your tokens. So what you want to do here, if you didn't have MetaMask, you want to go to metamask.io and you want to click download. All right, and MetaMask has a Chrome extension. It will bring you to a Chrome page. I already have it installed here, but it's pretty simple. You go ahead, you install it. MetaMask will walk you through the steps of creating a wallet, and then it will be a Chrome extension for you. So once I finish with that, which tab was I in? Right, I think this is our tab. Right, this is our tab. Okay, awesome. Yeah, once I finish with once you finish installing MetaMask and stuff, you just leave it and then you come back here to your tab if you didn't have it installed, but chances are you already did. So if you did, again, you select web3, MetaMask should pop up for you, asking you if you want to connect with the site. Basically it's just asking if you want to use this account. Make sure you're this will be the account that MetaMask will walk you through the steps to create your account, but right now it's like connecting to your account, and this account will be the account that we use to like launch a token, right? So you make sure you have some BNB in there, right? So like you're gonna need I already have some BNB in mine. Let me just go ahead and click next here till I connect it. So it's connected. So but yeah, once you will set up when MetaMask will launch, you'll ask, once you select this, MetaMask will pop up, you get it connected, and you'll have it connected. Now you'll need some BNB for this, so you're gonna need to send some BNB from like wherever you are. So if you trade on like Binance, or you have it in some other wallet, you're gonna just need to go ahead and set up here, send yourself some BNB, or wherever, send yourself some BNB to your MetaMask address, which you can find here. This will be up here in the top right where you say copied, and that's like your MetaMask address. And from there you just go, you send yourself some BNB. Okay. Now once it pops up and you click connect to MetaMask, it should show up here your account. And basically, like, what you want to do from that, guys, what you want to do from that, guys, just click deploy. All right, and then MetaMask will pop up again. It will ask you to confirm the transaction. It's just be like a little bit amount of BNB. So this is like 0.004 BNB, which I think is like $1 or some cents, right? Just to launch our contract. Then we'll click confirm. You should see something here, something going on here, and that should do it, guys. Like, that should put our contract on the Binance Smart Chain and mint our token. All right, so what you want to do here to see our contract, right? This thingy here is like our contract address. You can see it here. You just can go ahead here and click copy, and it says value copied to Word. Then you can go to what is it? BNF scan something. Okay, let's I forgot the name right now, but let's go to MetaMask. MetaMask is the easy way to see it, really. So once your contract is deployed, you can open up back MetaMask, and you can go to activity. Then you can see the transaction that created the contract, right? And then you can go you can BSC scan, obviously. You can you can click this arrow here. It will open BSC scan, and you'll be able to see the transaction that created our token. So So you see here we spent $1.62 to create our contract, and this is our contract address here. Okay, right, this is our contract address, which is the same thing. Where you can go ahead and click copy. It's the same thing in MetaMask here. You see 9595, right? It's the same address. All right, so and here you can see all our contract is minted now. You can see all the information about our token, right? So our token name is ALC, stands for Alex coin. It 8 decimals, 1,000 Alex coins, right? So right here, right now, and anybody that wants to interact with this this contract here, they have like this address, but right now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and see your tokens. How do we see your tokens, right? So what you want to do here is you want to go back to MetaMask. Okay, you want to click you want to go back on the assets tab. You want to click add tokens. You can see I already minted one there. You want to pay it. You want to copy your contract address from here or here. You can do either one, but you want to copy your contract address from here. You go to MetaMask. You're gonna do add token. Actually, can I delete this? So you don't get confused. You want to click add token. You want to paste your contract address, right? You can paste as plain text. MetaMask will pick up the symbol and the decimals and everything, and you can go ahead and click next. Then you'll see your balance, and you click add tokens, and then it will bring you to your ALC account, and your ALC will be in your MetaMask wallet, right? And that's it, guys. That's how we create our Binance Smart Chain token. Now the next thing we'll be doing is adding our token to pancakeswap. So yeah, just go ahead, just that's what we'll be doing next. But pretty simple, guys, pretty straightforward. You go here, you download the file, you open up Remix, you change the things here, DM symbol, decimal places, supply. You come here, you click auto compile, enable optimization, you connect your account, then you click deploy, copy address, you go back to MetaMask, and you add token. Yeah, guys, that was it for creating a coin. Now we'll go ahead and list it for listing on PancakeSwap. Alright, guys, so now for the moment of truth, adding liquidity to PancakeSwap. Yeah, no for adding our liquidity to PancakeSwap. So to be honest, guys, this isn't pretty very hard at all. Just a couple concepts that need explaining. But what you want to do once you have your token all created and ready to go in MetaMask LC, right? You will go to pancakeswap.finance, link below. Probably not really Google. I'm joking. I'll leave a link. Yeah, you go to pancakeswap.io. In the left side here, you select liquidity, and you go add liquidity. Okay, when you add when you add liquidity, what you're actually doing is adding exchange pairs for your token, so that people can actually buy your token with other tokens or coins. So you copy the address of your contract here. Once you have the address of your contract, you go to liquidity, select currency, then you paste the address of your contract. Okay, and PancakeSwap should automatically find your token. This is adding to the pool 5 USDT, which is basically US dollars, and for 5 USDT you get 6.25 Alex coins, which means you get roughly a 25% discount on Alex coins. See 1.25, 25% discount. You click approve. It will ask you to approve the transactions, which you just go ahead and do. You do it when you're just adding for the liquidity again, right? You approve the USDT, right? You confirm, it charges you whatever it charges you, and you click supply. PancakeSwap bugging out a little bit, and you click supply. All right, so supply, create pool. You confirm the transactions. Once it's done, guys, and you've added your liquidity, you should be able to go here and you should be able to trade your token for USDT, right? So let's say somebody has USDT. Once it starts trading, guys, it's out of our hands. So make sure you get that that price, right? The price and the amount of liquidity you want to add to the pool, meaning the amount of tokens you want to add enough BNB or BUSD or USDT, such that people will be able to like purchase enough of it, and that will like set the price. So I want to buy one Alex one USD worth of Alex coin. It gives me a roughly 0.75, which is like what we put here, right? So we go here, whatever, and again, like this price impact too high, guys, that you'll see that if you don't have enough coins, you didn't add enough liquidity to the pool, add enough coins to the pool, because such that when you go to when someone goes and they try to make a trade, if it will impact the price too much based on the amount of liquidity that's in there, you just need to add more. So right now there's like, I'm 100% of the pool. There are like 5 tokens in there. If I try to swap one, that's like 25% of the pool right there. That's all. It will affect the price too much, so that means you just have to add some more. So but yeah, guys, that's how you add your token to pancakeswap. If you have any questions, guys, don't be afraid to leave it down in the comments. Don't be afraid to reach out to me if you have any questions or any suggestions for the other videos. Please leave a like if this video helped you, and I will see you in the next one.